Hello, my name is Ruth Reyes, and I would like to talk to you about a technology applications web tool that is very useful called LightBinders. First of all, I want to tell you about the pros of this program. It helps you a lot with your professional development. It's a one-stop collection of all your resources. You can connect to other educational resources through this program, and it saves you time and keeps you organized. And one of the cons that I found only with this particular program is that the binders aren't searchable and the tabs aren't taggable. The cost is free. The ease of learning is easy. And you can even have student accounts also with LightBinders. You can teach your students how to organize their files. And the versatility, you can access the program from any computer. It is very easy to have an account with LightBinders since it is a free program. Basically, the very first time you have to sign up, you will create an account with this program LightBinders. And once again, this is a website where you're going to keep all your documents organized. Instead of having paper files in different areas, in different places, you can keep them all in one website. And you can always go. You can be for personal use, it can be for professional use, or for private use. Once you have already set up an account with the LightBinders, if you will notice the red arrow where it says start a blank binder, this is where you would initiate. You would press on there, and of course you're ready to give a name to your new binder. Naming your binder is the very next important step. In order to be able to keep all your files organized, you need to give them a name. If you will see on the example, the name of my binder is EDTC 6340, which is a master's degree class that I'm taking. It's also very important to categorize it. For example, I put on there, this is a technology master's class because it is for a master's program. And also, you have to decide whether you want to make it public or private. And this is very important. Also, you have to categorize it as far as, is it for educational purposes? Is it for personal? Or what is your category? This is the main page of your binders. This is where you're going to keep track of all the different files that you have. This is where you're going to have your tab, your sub-tab. This is where you're going to have your settings, where you're going to be able to put in your content. This is where you're going to save. Every time that you input new information, there is a save button on the top. So it's very important to make sure that you have your names ready so that you can go ahead and set up each one. I have actually 3 classes that I'm taking for a master's program, and you will notice I named them EDTC 6340, EDCI 7334, EDFR 6388. I also teach at Berta Cavazza Middle School, so I have a file where I keep all like my lesson plans and different assignments that I have for students. This page is an example of a sub-tab. If you will notice, the subject EDTC 6340 is highlighted in white. And the reason for that is because it's telling me that I have sub-tabs. And I actually have a tab that I named it Web 2.0 Tools. And we have been learning different technology application tools throughout the semester, and this is where I have all the information. Also, I have my calendar for all my assignments.